everybody. Thanks for joining in. Today we thought we would read one of our favorites, Pete the Cat and his 4 groovy buttons. But today, instead of using the book, we will show you a way to draw it out. We often like to use real buttons at circle time, but I don't have very many of those here, so we'll use some drawings instead. All right, you gonna sit down? One day, Pete the Cat put on his favorite shirt with 4 big, beautiful, round, groovy buttons. He loved his shirt so much that he sang this song. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! One of the buttons fell off and rolled away. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along, singing his song. Are you ready? My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. Oh no! How many buttons? He lost it. How many buttons does Pete have left? 2, because 2 buttons rolled away. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along, singing his song. My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no, another button popped off and rolled away. Oh, how many? He lost it. How many buttons does Pete have left? 1. Just 1. How many buttons rolled away?
3.
1, 2, 3.
I lost it.
He lost it. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. So he kept singing. My buttons, my 1 groovy button. My button, my 1 groovy button. Pop! Oh no! The last button popped off and rolled away. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He looked down and what did he see? His belly button. So the moral of the story is that buttons come and buttons go, but you can keep on grooving. Are you ready? My button, still have my belly button. My button, still have my belly button. Thanks for singing with us today, friends. So parents, it's really easy to get creative with some of your favorite stories and try singing them and saying them in different ways. Hope you're having fun, everybody. Bye.